In this guide, I'm going to explain how to use your weekly free transfers in Fantasy Premier League. So open the Fantasy Premier League application on your device, log into your specific account, then select the Fantasy tab from the bottom, which is between latest and season. Now select the transfers option that is below the pick team option, and here you'll see your squad, upcoming games, and transfer options. So you get one free transfer each game week. This lets you swap one player without penalty points. If you don't use your free transfer, it carries over to the next week. You can save a maximum of 2 free transfers. So in order to make a transfer, you need to tap on the player that you want to remove from your squad. Then choose the option of select replacement from the bottom right corner of the screen. Consider their price, upcoming matches, and recent performance to help you decide. And then choose a new player within your budget. Consider their price, upcoming matches, and recent performance to help you decide. And if you make more transfers than your available free transfers, you'll lose 4 points for each additional transfer. Always confirm your choices carefully unless you're using a wildcard. So once you're happy with your changes, click on Make Transfers and then click on Confirm. Always remember to set your captain and vice captain before the game week deadline. A good strategy is to plan your transfers 2 or 3 game weeks in advance. This helps you save transfers for when your players have difficult matches and are likely to be rested. So that's how you effectively use your free weekly transfers in Fantasy Premier League and avoid losing points. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.